Alright, just a little quick update here on my famous Cherokee bees. See if we can get the top off. These bees are doing great. Let's take a back look. Let's step back for a minute. Both hives got their second box today. So after they fill out this bottom box, will be for their honey for their winter stores and their spring buildup. Then the third box is the honey that we get to take. I was here earlier today. I gave them a little bit of food. I just wanted you to have a look at how good this queen is doing. I mean, she's really doing quite well. A couple of things I'd like to point out to you. This right here. That is all little baby girl bees. All this in through here are all eggs. In 2 days, this whole frame is going to look like this right here. And this is what we call capped brood. And I also wanted to point out a couple of other things. See this big fat one right here? That is a drone. They're bigger and they need a bigger cell to hatch out of. And this right here, get my other glove off. There we go. So this right here, this is a queen cell, which means one of two things. Either they had to replace the queen for some reason, which I doubt, or the hive swarmed again after I already brought them out, which is what I think is there's just so much good stuff to eat out here, and the queen got with it so quickly and had so many good resources, and they just made another queen and decided to go ahead and swarm. So one of these big trees out here has got a new beehive in it. So I think that's just absolutely great. And then this down here, this is a new comb. This is white wax. This is new comb. Means that they're doing really super good. This is hive number 1, hive that I caught in Collinsville. So while I'm here, let's go ahead, have a look at hive number 2. Give me a moment to pop the lid, and I'll be right back. Look at that. This hive is just doing excellent. This hive I caught down the road. And you can see here there's some capped brood. And on this one, let's see, let me put this down so I can show you. Right here you see all these different colored cells right here by my finger to the right of my finger. That is filled of different kinds of pollen, and different kinds of pollen have different colors, of course. And then up in here there's a little bit of honey, and then right in through here, that is the capped baby bees. So this is a combination of a girl's room with a little bit of food. So both boxes are full. They have another box. I don't know. We might get lucky and have like a pretty decent harvest this year. Only time will tell. Thank you. Bye-bye.